Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to back up Davinci Resolve projects. So to do this, it's pretty simple. So here in your Davinci Resolve, let's just say we have selected this already. So let's just say we're editing some random color effects, blah blah blah. And right here, let's see, we have a color bar right now. And let's say we're done with our own project. So all we have to do is go to the bottom right corner and locate the project manager. From there, you will see you will have this. So to do this, it's pretty simple. Press the export button and then save the name, tags, or where you want to save it. So save. So now you can import it from Davinci Resolve and you will have it your testerglow.drp. So now you can open it right here and then there you go. So you have backed up and you have also restored it from your local database. So there you go guys. If this was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.